Hello and welcome to Real Estate in Focus. Home buyers have a lot of options when they're going to the bank or their mortgage broker to get a mortgage. Many different options are presented to them, and most of the time they're confused. So that's why today we have called Victoria to help us to understand the different options that are available when obtaining a mortgage. So thank you for coming, and
Thank you.
hopefully you can help us with this.
Okay, there are several types of mortgages. There's open, closed, fixed, variable, conventional, high ratio, and collateral. I'll talk very quickly. I'll give you a definition of what the various type means. Basically, the difference between open and closed mortgage is your commitment to the bank. With a closed mortgage, you're committing to the bank for whatever the term of the mortgage is. It could be anywhere from 1 year to 10 years. So suppose you commit for 5 years, the bank will give you a low rate, but then you have to stay with the bank unless you want to leave, and therefore you pay a penalty. Open mortgage, you'd very often pay a higher rate, but you can leave at the end of your term. Very often it's a 6-month open or a 1 year open. Collateral means the bank will loan you up to 80% of the value of your property, and at any time you can draw back from that line of credit without penalty or without approval.
So I think the way I understand everything you have said is that it depends on your situation. It depends on the person's situation. If they can tolerate and take a risk, they can go with the variable option. If they want to have peace of mind for the next 5 years, for example, they can go with fixed term.
That's true.
And again, it depends on their financial situation, whether they want to go open or close. So everything can be customized to the person's financial situation. This is not a one formula.
No, and very often you can have the option of open and closed, or fixed or variable within the same mortgage as well. So best advice is to speak to your mortgage professional. Every client is different. There's so many types of mortgages out there.
Okay, thank you, Victoria, and thank you for watching.